Today, they have looked upward. One by one, they scale the rough bark of the acacia. The target is the massive stick platform of a secretary bird's nest. The first intruders reach the summit. They discover a clutch of large, protein-rich eggs. But the parent has returned. Dropping from the sky, the secretary bird strikes with immediate fury. The conflict shifts from the heights to the dusty plain below. On level ground, the secretary bird, Sagittarius serpentarius, appears to have the advantage of reach. Its long, powerful legs are designed to kill venomous snakes with a single blow. But the mongoose troop is a highly social and coordinated unit. They do not scatter. They surround. She attempts to stamp them out, targeting individual heads with precision strikes. However, there are too many targets to track at once. The mongooses use a strategy of collective mobbing. While the bird focuses on one, others dart in from the periphery. They begin to target her legs, her only weapon and her greatest vulnerability. Sharp teeth sink into the scaly skin, aiming for the vital tendons. A secretary bird depends entirely on its mobility to hunt and survive. An injury to the leg is a slow death sentence. The mongooses are relentless, driven by the scent of blood and the heat of the fray. The bird's stamina is starting to fail. Maintaining this level of defensive aggression is metabolically exhausting. Her strikes become slower, her footing less certain. The troop senses the shift in the rhythm of the battle. They press the advantage, narrowing the circle. They are no longer just defending their raid. They are hunting. The bird is forced to lower her guard, using her hooked beak to snap at the attackers. This is a dangerous compromise, bringing her eyes and neck within reach of the swarm. The relentless pressure of the pack is beginning to overwhelm her. They leap onto the bird's back and chest, their collective weight dragging her down. Multiple sets of jaws lock onto her throat and wings. She struggles to rise, but the troop anchors her to the earth. The raptor's defense finally collapses. In the harsh reality of the savannah, the line between predator and prey can vanish in an instant. The troop begins to feed before the life has fully left the bird. But the scent of a different prize draws a few away. They are surprisingly agile climber. They race toward the canopy, seeking the high-calorie reward. A single egg provides a dense concentration of vital lipids and minerals. Possession of such a rare resource triggers immediate conflict. In a landscape where nutrients are scarce, sharing is rarely an option. Rivals grapple on precarious branches to secure the yolk. Subordinates below scramble upward, attempting to displace the feeders. These skirmishes carry risks of injury or a dangerous fall. Sharp chitters and bared teeth signal intent. Here, the social bond is secondary to the requirements of immediate survival. Mongooses are deeply social